I just wanted to come on here real quick while this is printing out. I've got my stuff printing out back here. Um, the one thing that you can do that would help people find your shop, find your website, find your business is to put your business and social media information in your social media profiles. Because I can't tell you how many times, especially on Facebook, when someone posts a question about their Etsy shop or, how do I do this? I have this listing that blah, blah, blah. And I go to, I think, well, I'll take a look. And I go to their profile because they haven't linked in the question, and there's no links in their Facebook profile at all. So I wouldn't be able to find their shop. I have to go back and post, what's your shop name? Where is your shop? And 9 times out of 10, I'm not going to do that because I don't have time. So unless you drop the links everywhere, people will not be able to find your business. And I've had people say, well, because you have to put this on your personal profile. If you go to your Facebook personal profile, on the left-hand side, it says information. There's a little pencil icon. Click that, and it'll let you put the link to your Facebook business page. And then underneath that is the links to all your social media and your Etsy site and your website and wherever you want people to go to shop. If you don't have that there, people can't find you, and they're not going to be able to buy from you. It makes it so much easier if you just put all that information there. And I have had people say, well, my friends aren't my customers. It's like, this isn't for your friends, even though it's on your personal page. When you post in a Facebook group, you're posting under your personal account, and that's how other people who are in that group can find you and find your information. So it's for the people in the group. It's not for your actual friends in real life, but you should be telling them about your business too, because networking and telling people about your business is the number one way to get your name out there and to get your information around, spread around. So you have to tell people. Make sure that every single social media profile you have has the link where you want people to shop in it, and that it's a good link. And make sure your Etsy shop, all those links work, because I can't tell you again how many times I've done shop reviews for people and gone to their social media links, and the links don't go through to their social media. It's either a dead link, or you get a page not found, or it just doesn't work. So go through and check all those. But right now, go to your Facebook personal profile and make sure that your information is there so that people like me who are there to answer your questions and want to help, if you post something in a group, can actually find your shop. Because if I can't find your shop, I can't help you. I can't buy from you. I don't know what you're selling, whatever. So go do it now if you haven't already. And that's just the number one thing you can do. Super simple to help people find you on Facebook and social media and just in general. So tell people about your business. You have to be the one to advocate for yourself. All right.